Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. As you can see, I recently dyed my hair yellow and I wanted to do a matching makeup look for it. So I'm going to show you how I did just that. Well, I am about to come in on this next clip with my brows and my skin already done. There I am, look how cute. So first, I'm going to dip on into Beach from the Kylie Jenner palette, and then I'm going to apply this to the very top of my lid. And then here I'm dipping into the Yellow Orange from the Ultimate Brights NYX palette and blending that out. Now you get to watch me go in and cut my crease using the Age Rewind Concealer and the Color Neutralizer. And with this I'm kind of creating a winged shape. Now taking this combination of Be and Tune from the James Charles palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow liner from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to outline that cut crease, and then you'll see me attach that to a normal eyeliner wing, kind of outlining the yellow. Is as normal, missing someone, and missing someone. Taking that same liner, I'm just going to create the flowers now. They look a little bit more like stars, but we can't win them all, you know. Here I'm going in with the white NYX liner and creating the center parts of the flowers. Then here, back in with the green, and I'm creating the leaf details. This here is that color B from the James Charles palette, just going in under my eye. Now I'm creating that super fun inner corner point. I don't know what this is called, but it's cute, and I've finally mastered it, so here it is. Now I'm going in with mascara here, and that's just going to prep the lashes. For these, the Ardell Wispies, and I'm using Duo Lash Glue to attach. Now I just want to prep you because you're about to see some of the best editing known to man. Here's my eye, not done. And here's my eye. Completely done? You're kidding me. This is amazing, iconic. She's done it. She's really done it. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm super proud of the way this look came out, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.